Hello everybody! Today I'm showing you how to make Minnie Mouse applique. For this I'm using jeans clothes. Let's begin. For step 1 you need to cut off round shape. In my case this is jeans clothes. The diameter of this round is 5 centimeters. In your case can be bigger or smaller. Then I took sewing machine and made the edge. And now I take the crochet hook and a ball of yarn, insert the hook into the threads, pull up a loop, make a chain and make single crochet in a round. Like this. As you can see, I insert the hook into 3 or 4 threads. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. My trim is ready. And now I'm working with ears. Make a chain to bring up the yarn over the hook. I insert the hook into the third stitch, 1, 2, 3. Make 8 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I did all stitches into the one stitch of the previous round. I skip 1, 2, insert the hook into the third stitch, make single crochet. First row is ready, so I turn the work, make single crochet into the first stitch, yarn over the hook, make half double crochet into the next stitch, and double crochet into the same stitch. Make double crochet into the next stitch, and treble crochet into the same stitch. Make 2 treble crochet into the next stitch, 1, 2, make treble crochet twice into the next stitch, 1, 2, make treble crochet into the next stitch, and double crochet into the same stitch. Make double crochet into the next stitch and half double crochet. Work with the last stitch, make single crochet. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet, turn the work. The first ear is ready. Now I'm working with trim for my ear. It is going to be a row of single crochet. Make a chain. You can crochet a little bit loosely in this round. So make single crochet into each stitch of the previous round. Insert the hook into the next stitch of the first round and make single crochet. So my ear is completely ready, and for hair I'm using spirals. It is going to be a 1 spiral. Make single crochet, so make a chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This chain can be differently, can be longer or shorter. It depends on the size of hair. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook 1 2. Make 3 single crochet into this chain stitch. So make 3 single crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. So continue working in this way till the end of the foundation chain. So my spiral is almost ready. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet. You can make such spiral 2 or 3 or 4, but I did only 1. And now I continue working on the second ear. Make single crochet 1 2 3, and I'm beginning the second ear. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the third stitch, make double crochet, and make 8 double crochet into the third stitch. So my ears are ready. For hair, using spirals, the next step is painting. As you notice, I had 3 patterns. You can choose one of them. Using a white color, I paint the face for mouse. In my case, I'm using acrylic paint and paintbrush. It is going to be a shape of face. It is going to be a base for eyes, mouth and nose. As you can see, I working with white color of paint. So my face is almost ready. You should leave your painting for 2 or 3 hours. And then I'm going to work with a part of the face, such as eyes, nose, mouth. The base is done. So now I took the black color and paint. I took black color and now I make the shape of the face. Here how I am doing this. So now I paint a nose and then work with eyes a pair of eye. Then I continue with eyelash, and of course to finish my face with mouse. So here how I paint it. So that's it. My applique is ready. Here how it looks. So for more beautiful look, I decorated my Minnie Mouse with scarf. So thank you so much for watching. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me. Learn more. And don't miss new video tutorials. Bye!